Hello guys, welcome to Nutrimania. Today we are going to discuss top 12 vegetables and their surprising health benefits. Stay tuned and keep watching our videos to know all the information you need to know about vegetables. Potatoes are edible tubers available worldwide and all year long. They are relatively cheap to grow, rich in nutrients, and they can make a delicious treat. The humble potato has fallen in popularity in recent years due to interest in low carb foods. However, the fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals it provides can help ward off disease and benefit human health. Potatoes were first domesticated in South America up to 10,000 years ago. Spanish explorers introduced them to Europe in early 16th century. They are now the biggest vegetable crop in the United States, where the average person eats 55 pounds or 25 kg of potatoes every year. They are an important staple food in many countries around the world. A high intake of fruits and vegetables can benefit health and reduce the risk of many lifestyle-related health conditions. Potatoes contain important nutrients. Even when cooked, they can benefit human health in various ways. Here we look at 10 ways in which the potato might contribute to a healthful lifestyle, including preventing osteoporosis, maintaining heart health, and reducing the risk of infection. Bone health. The iron, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and zinc in potatoes all help the body to build and maintain bone structure and strength. Iron and zinc play crucial roles in the production and maturation of collagen. Phosphorus and calcium are both important in bone structure, but is essential to balance the two minerals for proper bone mineralization. Too much phosphorus and too little calcium result in bone loss and contribute to osteoporosis. Blood pressure. A low sodium intake is essential for maintaining a healthy blood pressure, but increasing potassium intake may be just as important. Potassium encourages vasodilation or the widening of blood vessels. According to National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, fewer than 2% of American adults meet the daily 4700 mg recommendation. Potassium, calcium, and magnesium are all present in the potato. These have been found to decrease blood pressure naturally. Heart health. The potato's fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6 content, coupled with its lack of cholesterol, all support heart health. Potatoes contain significant amounts of fiber. Fiber helps lower the total amount of cholesterol in the blood, thereby decreasing the risk of heart disease. Inflammation. Choline is an important and versatile nutrient present in potatoes. It helps with muscle movement, mood, learning, and memory. It also assists in maintaining the structure of cellular membranes, transmitting nerve impulses, the absorption of fats, early brain development. One large potato contains 57 mg of choline. Adult males need 550 mg and females need 425 mg per day. Cancer. Potatoes contain folate. Folate plays a role in DNA synthesis and repair, so it is important to prevent many types of cancer cells from forming due to mutations in the DNA. Fiber intake from fruits and vegetables like potatoes are associated with a lowered risk of colorectal cancer. Vitamin C and quercetin also function as antioxidants, protecting cells against damage from free radicals. Digestion and regularity. The fiber content in potatoes help prevent constipation and promote regularity for a healthy digestive tract. Weight management. Dietary fibers are commonly recognized as important factors in weight management and weight loss. They act as bulking agents in digestive system. They increase satiety and reduce appetite, so a person feels fuller for longer and is less likely to consume more calories. Metabolism. Potatoes are a great source of vitamin B6. This plays a vital role in energy metabolism by breaking down carbohydrates and proteins into glucose and amino acids. These similar compounds are more easily utilized for energy within the body. Collagen is the skin's support system. Vitamin C works as an antioxidant to help prevent damage caused by the sun, pollution, and smoke. Vitamin C also helps collagen smooth wrinkles and improve overall skin texture. Research has found that vitamin C may help reduce the severity and duration of the cold. Potatoes are a good source of vitamin C. How helpful a potato is in the diet depends to some extent on what is added or how it is cooked. Oil, sour cream, and butter all add calories, but the plain potato itself is relatively low in calories. It also provides important nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, and various minerals. A 100 gram or 3.5 ounce serving is little more than half of a medium-sized potato. This much white potato baked with skin contains 94 calories, 0.15 grams of fat, 0 grams of cholesterol, 21.08 grams of carbohydrate, 2.1 grams of dietary fiber, 2.1 gram of protein, 10 mg of calcium, 0.6 mg of iron, 27 mg magnesium, 75 mg phosphorus, 544 mg of potassium, and 38 micrograms of folate. Potatoes also provide niacin, choline, and zinc. Different varieties provide slightly different nutrients like sodium, alpha-lipoic acid, quercetin, antioxidants, and fiber. Whole unprocessed potatoes contain very little sodium, only 10 mg per 100 gram, or less than 1% of the suggested daily limit. However, this is not true of processed potatoes products such as French fries and potato chips. Alpha-lipoic acid or ALA. Potatoes also contain a compound known as alpha-lipoic acid which helps the body to convert glucose into energy. Some evidence suggests that ALA can help control blood glucose levels, improve vasodilation, protect against retinopathy in diabetic patients, and preserve brain and nerve tissue. Quercetin, a flavonoid found in potato skin, appears to have an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that protects the body cell from damage by free radicals. Flavonoids are a kind of phytonutrient, organic compounds that are believed to help protect against disease. Antioxidants. Potatoes contain vitamin C, which act as an antioxidant. Antioxidant may help prevent cell damage and cancer and promote healthy digestion and cardiovascular functions. The fiber in potatoes helps to maintain a healthy digestive system and circulation. You may bake, you may roast, you may add it into your salads. It's a good choice for your health.
Cucumber. Cucumber is a widely cultivated creeping vine plant in the Cucurbitaceous gourd family that bears cucumberous fruits, which are used as vegetables. There are three main varieties of cucumber: slicing, pickling, seedless, within which several cultivators have been created. साइंटिफिक नेम जो ककम्बर का है वो क्यूक्यूमिस सैटिवस है। विटामिन सी जो है इसमें 3% पाया जाता है। विटामिन के जो है इसमें 16% होता है। सोडियम जो है इसमें 0% होता है और डाइटरी फाइबर 0.5 ग्राम। ककम्बर जो है इसकी हेल्थ देयर आर जस्ट 16। अगर हम इसकी ककम्बर न्यूट्रिएंट्स की बात करें तो देयर आर जस्ट 16 कैलोरीज इन अ कप ऑफ cucumber with its peel. You will get 4% of your daily potassium, 3% of your daily fiber, and 4% of your daily vitamin C. They also provide small amount of vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, manganese, and vitamin A. अगर हम इसकी सर्विंग्स के अकॉर्डिंग बात करें ककम्बर की तो इसकी जो है अगर पील रॉ सर्विंग साइज़ देखें 1/2 कप स्लाइस 52 ग्राम कैलोरीज 8 कैलोरीज फ्रॉम फैट 0। टोटल जो है 2000 कैलोरी डाइट हो सकती है। और अगर हम इसके यूजेस के बारे में बात करें ककम्बर की तो ये है कि बिकॉज ककम्बर आर 95% वाटर, दे कीप द बॉडी हाइड्रेटेड एंड हेल्प द बॉडी फ्लश आउट टॉक्सिन्स. Cucumber are highly water content, rich in vitamin A, B, C and minerals like magnesium, potassium, manganese and silicon. Swelling around the eyes, digestive problems, ये digestive problems को दूर करता है, constipation के लिए गुड है, joint health के लिए गुड है, blood pressure के लिए जो है यूज़फुल है, और डायबिटिक पेशेंट के लिए बहुत अच्छा है ड्यू टू इट्स वाटरी कंटेंट. और इसके साथ साथ ब्यूटीफुल हेयर ग्रोथ एंड बोन हेल्थ के लिए भी अच्छा है, और ये स्किन को भी फ्रेश करता है. इसके साथ साथ अगर हम इसके एडवर्स इफ़ेक्ट्स के बारे में बात करें तो ककम्बर इज़ नॉट also a friendly snack for people with sensitive stomachs. It contains an ingredient called cucurbitacin, which is powerful ingredient known to cause digestion problems. Even a little growling or indigestion can lead to flatulence or burping, which again make it difficult to rest with ease. इसके साथ साथ अगर हम कोकम्बर जूस जो है ऐड करना चाहें अपनी डाइट में तो वो भी बहुत बेनिफिशियल है. It keeps you hydrated. Your body can't function properly without water. That's why cucumber is so good for our health because it contains 98% water content. इसके साथ साथ it helps with weight loss. It delivers antioxidants. It may help prevent cancer. It lowers your blood pressure. It supports healthy skin. It boosts bone health. That's why cucumber is so good for our health. Its watery content is also good for our skin. Coriander adverse effects. There is one report of severe diarrhea, stomach pain, darkened skin, depression, lapse of menstruation, and dehydration is one of the main coriander extract. When coriander comes in contact with skin, it can cause skin irritation and inflammation. कोरिएंडर जूस बेनिफिट्स अगर देखें तो वो भी बहुत सरप्राइजिंग हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स हैं कोरिएंडर के. मे प्रोटेक्ट योर स्किन फ्रॉम एनी एलर्जी और इचिंग, मे फाइट इन्फेक्शंस, मे प्रोटेक्ट ब्रेन हेल्थ, मे बेनिफिट हार्ट हेल्थ, easy to add to your diet for digestion, rich in immune boosting antioxidant, may promote digestion and gut health. अब हम बात करेंगे कोरिएंडर के बारे में, जिसे उर्दू में धनिया कहा जाता है. कोरिएंडर इज़ अ एनुअल हर्ब इन द फैमिली एपेसिया. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज चाइनीज़ पार्सले और धनिया. All parts of plant are edible, but the fresh leaves and the dried seeds are the parts most traditional used in cooking. जो साइंटिफिक नेम है वो है कोरेंडियम सैटिवम, फैमिली एपेसिया, किंगडम प्लांटी और रैंक स्पीशी. नेक्स्ट कोरिएंडर की सर्विंग के बारे में बात की जाए तो 1 कप ऑफ रॉ कैलेंट्रो weighing अबाउट 16 ग्राम्स, जो कि प्रोवाइड करता है 3.68 कैलोरीज, 0.083 ग्राम्स ऑफ फैट, 0.587 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. अब इसके भी बहुत से बेनिफिट्स हैं, जैसा कि जो है कोरिएंडर इज़ यूज फॉर डाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम्स इंक्लूडिंग अपसेट स्टोमक, लॉस ऑफ एपेटाइट, हर्निया, नोजिया, डायरिया एंड इंटेस्टाइनल गैस. It is also used to treat measles, hemorrhoids, toothache, worms and joint pain, as well as infections caused by bacteria and fungus. Health benefits of coriander leaves are many, but some of these are discussed here. It nourishes your eyes, helps detoxify heavy metals, defend करता है against food poisoning, prevent heart disease, regulate menstruation, protect your nerve system. That's why it's so good to add in your meal. अगर इसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स के बारे में बात की जाए, कोरिएंडर इज़ अ वंडरफुल सोर्स ऑफ डाइटरी फाइबर, मैंगनीज, आयरन एंड मैग्नीशियम एज वेल.
Beet.
Beet is a herbaceous plant widely cultivated as source of food for humans and livestock and for processing into sugar. Some varieties are grown for their leaves and some for their large nutritious root. In Northern American areas, another term is used for beet is beetroot. Beetroot, commonly known as beets, are popular root vegetable used in many cuisines around the world. Beets are packed with essential vitamins, minerals and plant compounds, some of which have medicinal properties. What's more, they are delicious and easy to add to your diet. As they are packed with essential nutrients, beetroots are a great source of fiber, folate, vitamin B9, manganese, potassium, iron and vitamin C. Beetroots and beetroot juice have been associated with numerous health benefits, including improved blood flow, lower blood pressure, and increased exercise performance. Here are some nutritional facts of beetroot. Beets mainly consist of water, about 87%, carbs, about 8%, and fiber, about 2 to 3%. 1 cup or 136 grams of boiled beetroot contains fewer than 60 calories, while 3 out of 4 cup, about 100 grams of raw beets boost the following nutrients: calories 43, water 88%, protein 1.6 gram, carbs 9.6 gram, sugar 6.8 grams, fiber 2.8 grams, fat 0.2 grams. Here are some health benefits of beetroots. Beetroots and beetroot juice have many health benefits, especially for heart health and exercise performance. It lowers the blood pressure. High blood pressure can damage your blood vessels and heart. What's more, it's among the strongest risk factors of heart disease, stroke, and premature death worldwide. Eating fruits and vegetables rich in inorganic nitrates may cut your risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and increasing nitric oxide formation. Studies show that beetroots or other juices can reduce blood pressure up to 3 to 10 mmHg over a period of few hours. Such effects are likely due to increased level of nitric oxide, which cause your blood vessels to relax and dilate. It increases exercise capacity. Numerous studies suggest that nitrates can enhance physical performance, particularly during high-intensity endurance exercise. Dietary nitrates have been shown to reduce oxygen use during physical exercise by affecting the efficiency of mitochondria, the cell organs responsible for producing energy. Beets in their juice are often used for this purpose because of their high inorganic nitrate content. Consumption of beetroots may improve running and cycling performance, increase stamina, boost oxygen use, and lead to better exercise performance overall. Here are some adverse effects. Beetroots are usually well tolerated except for individuals prone to kidney stones. Consumption of beetroot may also cause your urine to become pink or red, which is harmless but often confused for blood. Oxalates. Beet greens contain high level of oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation. Oxalates also have anti-nutrient properties. This means that they may interfere with the absorption of micronutrients. Levels of oxalates are much higher in leaves than in roots itself, but the root is nevertheless considered high in oxalates. Onions. Onions are a member of Allium genus of flowering plants that includes garlic, shallots, leek, and chives. These vegetables contain various vitamins, minerals, and important plant compounds that have been shown to promote health in many ways. In fact, the medicinal properties of onion have been recognized since ancient times, which they were used to treat ailments like headaches, heart disease, and mouth sores. There is an interesting fact about onions. Slicing onions makes you cry because when you cut it into the pieces the onion produces is sulfur-based gas. Here are 9 impressive health benefits of onions. Number 1. Packed with nutrients. Onions are nutrient-dense, meaning that they are low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals. One medium onion has just 44 calories but delivers a considerable dose of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Number 2. It may benefit heart health. Research shows that eating onions may help reduce heart disease risk factors such as high blood pressure, elevated triglyceride levels, and inflammation. Number 3. Loaded with antioxidants. Red onions are rich in anthocyanins, which are powerful plant pigments that may protect against heart disease, certain cancer, and diabetes. Number 4. Contain cancer-fighting compounds. A diet rich in allium vegetables like onions may have a protective effect against certain cancers. Number 5. Help control blood sugar. Due to the many beneficial compounds found in onions, consuming them may help reduce high blood pressure and high blood sugar level. Number 6. May boost bone density. Studies show that onion consumption is associated with improved bone mineral density. Number 7. It have an antibacterial property. Onions have been shown to inhibit the growth of potentially harmful bacteria like E. coli or Escherichia coli and S. aureus. Number 8. May boost digestive health. Onions are a rich source of prebiotics, which help boost digestive health, improve bacterial balance in your gut, and benefit your immune system. Number 9. Easy to add to your diet. Onions can easily be added to savory dishes including eggs, meat dishes, soups, and baked goods. Here are some nutritional facts about onions. Serving size is equal to 1 medium onion, 5.3 oz or 148 gram. Calories 45 calories. Fat 0. Amount per serving. Percent daily values are based on 2000 calorie diet. Total fat is 0 gram or 0%. Total carbohydrate is 11 gram or 4%. Dietary fiber is 3 gram or 12%. Sugars 9 gram. Cholesterol 0 milligram. Sodium 5 milligram. Potassium 190 milligram. Protein 1 gram or about 5%. Here are some health risks of onion. While not especially serious, eating onions can cause problems for some people. The carbohydrates in onion may cause gas and bloating. Onions, especially if consumed raw, can worsen heartburn in people who suffer from chronic heartburn or gastric reflux disease. Eating a large amount of green onion or rapidly increasing your consumption of green onions may interfere with the blood thinning drugs, as onion contains a good amount of vitamin K. It is also possible to have a food intolerance or an allergy to onions, but cases are very rare.